how to get Steam VR on your Steam Deck. So first of all, if you want to go ahead and use your Steam VR, you're gonna have to get Steam itself. Go ahead to your store and search for Steam VR. So with that, you can go ahead and install the Steam VR itself. You can install your VR games. But anyways, once you've done that, you can just go ahead to your library over here and find your Steam VR app or game. But whatever it's called. So go ahead to your Steam VR, go ahead to your settings over here or the manage section of Steam VR, then go to your properties. What you're gonna do is put a little code here in your launch options. So just go ahead and copy this over here. So we're gonna give you like 5 seconds in your screen. You can go ahead and pause it and you can just go ahead and copy the little code over here. So make sure it's all copied exactly the same, but once that's done, you can go ahead to any preferred browser and search for your ALVR. So choose the one that is from GitHub over here. Then once you're there, you can go ahead to the releases. So it's on the right section. Press on that and you're gonna have to download the ALVR Launcher Linux. So this one's the better option, I suppose. So just go ahead and click on that and it should just download it directly. You're gonna go ahead and open that file and then you're gonna extract it to wherever you want, of course. So right click on the file and then just go ahead and press on extract all. So just put in the extracted file to wherever you want it to be and then just go ahead and press on extract. Once that's done, this is gonna show up. You're gonna have to go ahead and open. Now once you go ahead and open that specific file, it should look something like this. You're just gonna go ahead and press on launch over here on the latest version and you can go ahead and enter the dashboard. Go ahead into the settings over here. It's pretty important to set this section since it pretty much determines to your own preferences. So go to your presets, your preferred frame rates and whatnot. Go ahead to your video to set up your widths and whatnot. But once that's all done, you're done with your settings, you can go ahead and press on launch Steam VR. But that's pretty much one way you can use Steam VR on your Steam Deck. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.